Hi again, Jake from JNS Accessories in Oakmere. HJC had been partnering up with Marvel now for the past couple of years and come out with some fantastic helmets. They've now extended that to Disney, and I'm here to bring to you today their latest colour, the Wazowski colour from Monsters Inc. Just going to do a quick unboxing and see what's inside. So, as you open the box, taking away that really nice green sleeve, just got the a little blanking plate there with your instruction manual. And let's get to the main event. The helmet itself, nice plush bag. Almost feel like we need a drum roll in here. And there she is. That is the Wazowski helmet. It's on the RPHA 11 shell, so it is the top spec shell that HJC produce. So with that, you're going to get not only the highest quality of shell, you're going to get great ventilation and just a fantastic overall helmet. More about the helmet, it's got fully removable liner, including these emergency release cheek pads, which are a critical thing, especially if you are on track. If you are knocked unconscious and they do need to remove the helmet from you, they're not ragging your neck or having to cut this helmet open. I think it'd be a bit of a crime to cut this one open. It really is something special. It's got a nice glitter effect in the white paint around the eye here, and even got the little shadow effect with the hands there for his claws. And where you're going to obviously have the visor in front of your face, it looks like you're coming out of his mouth. And there are some other bits and pieces in the box that you get. So you get the Pinlock anti-fog. 9 times out of 10 though, the ventilation is so good on this helmet that you actually probably won't even need it, but it's always nice to have in the box anyway. You also get a couple of green stickers. These are going to situate themselves on the side here, just to add to the effect of the colour scheme. And last but not least, you get a lovely light tint visor. Darker ones are available for purchase, but it's always nice when you get a freebie. And overall, I think the helmet is fantastic. I know that they fit really well. I think that the colour scheme really works. Sometimes you can get them looking a little bit more cheesy, if you like, with it being a cartoon character, but I think this is really smart and a really good buy. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to the JNS Accessories channel. If there are any more helmets you want us to do a review on, then leave them in the comments below and we'll soon get to them. And of course, whenever you are subscribing, don't forget to ring that notification bell next to the button. That way you're going to get a notification every single time we upload and you'll never miss a video. Thank you.